You hear the words Bitcoin and cryptocurrency everywhere. Your friend won't shut up about it. Your uncle mentions it at Thanksgiving. Even your barber has an opinion. And you're sitting there like, what is this stuff? It sounds like this exclusive, confusing, tech genius only club. Like you need a computer science degree just to understand it. But here's the truth. Cryptocurrency is just money, a new kind of money. And by the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly what it is. So clearly, you'll be able to explain it to anyone. Let's break it down. Okay, first, let's talk about regular money. The dollars in your bank account. The money you use every single day. Here's how it works. When you have $100 in your bank account, that money isn't actually sitting in a vault somewhere with your name on it. It's just a number on a screen on your bank's computer. Think of it like this. Your bank has a private spreadsheet, and on that spreadsheet, next to your name, it says $100. When you Venmo your friend $20, you're not physically handing them cash. Your bank is just updating their spreadsheet. They subtract 20 from your row. They add 20 to your friend's row. Now here's the thing. That spreadsheet, it's private. Only your bank can see it. Only your bank can change it. You have to trust them. You're trusting they won't mess it up. You're trusting they're keeping accurate records. This system is called centralized. That's a fancy word that just means one person or one company is in charge. And look, banks do a pretty good job most of the time, but there's always a middleman. Some way in the middle controlling everything. What if we could have money without the middleman? That's where cryptocurrency comes in. Cryptocurrency is still just a number on a computer. It's still digital. But here's the game changer. Instead of one bank keeping a private spreadsheet that only they can see, imagine if that spreadsheet was a magic Google Doc and everyone in the entire world has a copy of it. Seriously, millions of people have the exact same spreadsheet. They can all see every transaction. Every time someone sends money to someone else, it gets written on this shared document. And here's the magical part. Once something is written on this magic Google Doc, it can never be changed. It can never be deleted. It's permanent. Forever. This magic Google Doc, that's called the blockchain. Now, you might be thinking, wait, if everyone can see it, can't someone just cheat? Can't they just write, I have $1 million on the spreadsheet? Great question. And the answer is no, because this is where the crypto in cryptocurrency comes in. Crypto is short for cryptography. That just means secret codes. Really, really complex math puzzles that keep the magic Google Doc safe. Before any new line can be written on the blockchain, thousands of computers around the world have to agree that it's legit. They check the math. They verify the transaction. If someone tries to cheat, the other computers will say, nope, that doesn't match. Rejected. So cryptocurrency is digital money that lives on a shared, public, unchangeable record that no single person controls. It's money without the middleman. This is the biggest idea in all of crypto. And if you understand this, you understand 90% of what crypto is about. It's called decentralization. Remember how regular money is centralized? One bank, one company, one government controls it. Cryptocurrency is the opposite. It's decentralized. No single person, no single company, no single government controls it. The power is spread out, shared, distributed among millions of people. This is huge. This has never existed before in human history. Think about it. Every time you've used digital money before cryptocurrency, you were using someone else's system. PayPal's system, your bank's system, Visa's system. They own it. They control it. They can shut it down. They can freeze your account. They can say no. But with cryptocurrency, there's no off switch. There's no CEO who can shut it down. There's no customer service line to call because there's no company running it. It just exists out in the world, like the internet itself. It's the first time we have digital money that belongs to the people, not to a bank, not to a corporation. Some people call it the people's money. Some call it programmable money. Some call it the Internet of Money. But at its core, it's just a new system, a new way of keeping track of who owns what. So why does this matter? Because this new idea opens up a whole world of possibilities. You can be your own bank. You can send money to anyone, anywhere in the world, instantly, without asking permission from a company. You can invest. You can save. You can build. But here's the thing. With great power comes great responsibility. If you lose your password, there's no reset password button. If you send crypto to the wrong address, there's no customer service to call. It's a trade-off. More freedom, more control, but also more responsibility. And this whole world starts with one name you've definitely heard before: Bitcoin. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency, the one that started it all. And people call it digital gold. But what does that actually mean? And how does Bitcoin work? That's what we're covering in the next video. If this finally clicked for you, if you finally get what cryptocurrency actually is, hit that subscribe button. We're on a mission to make crypto simple for everyone. No jargon, no gatekeeping, just clear explanations. In our next video, we're breaking down what is Bitcoin and why it's called digital gold. You've learned what crypto is. Now let's talk about the most famous one. See you in the next video.